welcome back to my channel. We are here in Houston, Texas, at the one and only ALPHALAND. And as you guys know, I am not a fitness influencer, vlogger, whatever the heck you want to call it, content creator, but we are here and I figured I would take you guys around and then of course take you guys through a leg workout. We do have Sam here with us who's all the way back there, so we are probably going to use one of his workouts. So if you guys do want some more like in-depth fitness tips and stuff like that, then definitely go check out his content. But yeah, let's get into this workout and make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys are subscribed, click the bell button, and let's get into it. Exercise 1 complete, feeling good, feeling great. Now we're gonna move on to the next leg workout. Okay, if you guys can tell, my nose is pretty red right now, and that is because your girl got a nosebleed. Now, I literally always get them, so it's nothing new for me, and we were working out outside, and it is pretty hot out there, pretty humid, and obviously squatting and putting a lot of pressure, the nose just exploded. So now I got myself back together, and we're gonna go finish the workout. Guys, those hip thrusts were no joke, but they were no joke in like the best possible way. That I am sitting on the floor now and resting between reps. We're gonna hit some lunges now, some reverse lunges, and who knows what the heck we're gonna do next, but I think we're probably gonna do 2 more workouts and probably call it, but Sam's full of surprises, so we might end up doing a lot more. Feeling great. Same, guys. I'm actually pretty tired. That nosebleed definitely put a wrench in things, but we came back out here, prospered, persevered.
Not sure we'll be able to walk tomorrow.
Literally, my back is sore from yesterday, but we're here, you guys. And we had a great workout, and I think we're done, and that's a wrap. Honestly, what better place to close out a video? So I'm gonna close it out right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys are subscribed, click the bell button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.